Hi everyone. I hope you had a real great fun on the Sunday's orientation session. And as you all are aware that now we have Avengers as a team, so please make sure you consider yourself a real life Avenger and start working towards building the future. Also, this week's activity is about skills, passion, and interest. So basically, what you have to do is you have to write your skills, passion, and interest that you have in the canvas that we have shared with you on the mail. Also, you have to do it individually, but there is a twist here. So, for passion and interest, you have to write on your own. But when it comes to skills, you have to talk to at least five people around you, your family or your friends, or who knows you very well, for at least from the past 5 years. And then you have to ask them what they think your skills are. Once you figure out the skills mentioned by them, after which you will have to decide which skills you think you have, because sometimes others know you better than yourself. So that is what we have kept, that for the skills you have to ask at least five people that know you, and then you have to analyze your skills and write them on the sheet. Also, when it comes to skills, skills is something that you know that you have. Passion is something which you are really passionate about, which while working on it you don't think of something else, and interest is something that just is an interesting subject to you. Also, all these three things can overlap as well, and these three things can be totally different. So when it comes to skills, you might have a skill in playing music. When it comes to passion, music can be your real passion. And when it comes to interest, you have interest in composing music. So these three things can also overlap, and these three things can be totally different. So depends on what your skills interest are. You have to write them really well by knowing yourself. Take time, sit with yourself, talk to others about your skills, decide yourself about your passions and interests, because working on something first requires that you know yourself appropriately, you know your strengths and weaknesses. So this is going to be an individual task, and make sure you write at least five of them. So you write at least five skills, five passion, and five interest, because five is something which at least you should have. So five skills, five interest, and five passion is what I am looking at from you, what we are looking at from you. And make sure you share it with us before Saturday. And also, please take some time, give time to yourself, write about yourself, talk to people, sit with yourself, understand yourself, and then write. Don't do it for the sake of doing, because this is the activity which will allow you to know yourself. And also, a lot many people out there who are in their 30s 40s have not even done this yet for yourself. So you are lucky enough to do this, because in order to know yourself, you first need to know your passion, skills, and interest. So I am looking forward to knowing you all and understand what your skills, passion, and interest are. And you will get to know why we have done this activity, because it is going to come in sync with other future activities that you are doing. So all the very best. And also, the logo that you are going to build, make sure it resonates your company's your team names, ideology, what your team is all about. And please share the logo with us also as soon as possible. I look forward to seeing your logos and the canvases about your skills, passion, and interest. Bye everyone.